Also, the good thing with this system in the Mini is if you go to your iTunes, you'll see there at the bottom the red triangle with the 3 red circles, kind of the broadcast symbol. If we just look there, you'll see the Mini selected. The audio was ticked before when we accepted everything. So I'll turn this down, go back to that. That's turned down. Then we need to go to media. So onto media. That's on music collection at the moment. So we'll click media again, and you've got external sound. And then that brings up another menu, Barry's iPhone 11. Select. So you see there, that's now on. It's going to play what's on my phone. That's already playing. If I turn this up now, it's showing Taylor Swift there. And then that's it. That's how you stream audio.